If you've been looking for legitimate ways to make money online, you've probably heard about uTest. The platform claims you can earn money by testing websites, mobile apps, software, and digital products before they're released to the public. But does uTest actually pay? And is it worth joining in 2026? In this review, we'll explain how uTest works, how much you can realistically earn, its biggest advantages and disadvantages, and whether it's the right platform for you. Let's get started. First, what is uTest? uTest is a crowd testing platform owned by Applause, one of the largest software testing companies in the world. Instead of hiring only in-house testers, companies use uTest to find real people from different countries, devices, and operating systems to test their websites, mobile apps, games, and software. Your job is to use these products just like a normal user, identify bugs, report issues, verify fixes, or complete specific testing tasks assigned by the client. So, is uTest legitimate? Yes. uTest is a legitimate platform that has been operating for many years and has paid thousands of testers around the world. Payments are made for approved bug reports and completed testing projects, making it one of the most trusted software testing communities available today. One of the biggest advantages of uTest is that you don't necessarily need professional experience to get started. After creating your account, you'll complete your profile by listing your devices, operating systems, languages, and technical experience. The more complete your profile is, the more testing opportunities you'll usually receive. As you participate in projects and submit high-quality bug reports, your tester rating improves. A better rating often leads to invitations for higher-paying projects and longer-term testing opportunities. Now let's talk about earnings. Unlike survey websites, uTest doesn't pay a fixed amount for simply logging in. Your income depends on the projects you're invited to, the quality of your work, and the number of valid bugs you discover. Some projects pay for completing testing sessions, while others reward individual bug reports. Experienced testers who consistently submit valuable reports generally receive more invitations than new users. Now, for the downsides. There is a learning curve. If you've never tested software before, you'll need to learn how to identify bugs, write clear reports, and follow testing instructions carefully. Another limitation is that invitations depend on your location, devices, and client requirements. Some weeks you may receive several projects, while other weeks you might receive very few. Because of this, uTest shouldn't be viewed as guaranteed full-time income. Instead, it's a flexible way to earn extra money while improving your software testing skills. What do real users think? Overall, reviews are very positive. Many testers report receiving regular payments and appreciate the opportunity to work with major companies before products are released. The most common complaints involve limited invitations for beginners and the competitive nature of some testing cycles, where bugs are accepted on a first-come, first-served basis. So, what's the final verdict? Is uTest a scam? No. uTest is a legitimate platform that really does pay people for testing websites, apps, and software. If you're detail-oriented, enjoy finding problems, and want to learn valuable testing skills while earning extra income, uTest is definitely worth trying in 2026. Just remember that your earnings will improve as you gain experience, build your reputation, and qualify for more advanced projects. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments if you've ever tested apps or websites through uTest.